Hello friends, it's been a busy day. I went to the big truck work today, did a few things for them, and now here I am at the shop. We need to get this ready for the car show. Car show is tomorrow, and it's in a lot worse shape than I've seen it in the past. And because of that, I thought now is a good time to try out a few products that I haven't had a chance to try. This ought to put them to the test for real. So the first video is going to be the bugs. So the point of my test is to see what kind of result we get by hand cleaning it. There are a lot of detailers out there that do not have a water source. There's a lot of them that do not have a power washer. Because of that, we need a working chemical product that is going to make our job as simple as possible. So that's the point of this test. Green Star by Coach Kimmy is going to take one side. Tree and Sap Remover by DIY Detail is going to take the middle. And Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover is going to take the other side. That is Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover side. This is the DIY Detail side. This is the middle. And this is the Coach Kimmy Green Star. In my bucket, I have half a gallon of rinseless wash. I'm going to start over there because I treated first, and then I'll do this middle, and then I will do this right side. And we'll see. Okay, so this is the Coach Kimmy Green Star. It did a really good job on just 2 passes. It did a good job. Now this center is the DIY Detail Tree Sap Remover. It's not done a very good job, but it did improve it considerably. But there's still a lot of bugs on there. This is the Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover. It did better than the DIY Detail. But it's still not the best. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the whole thing with Green Star. Yep. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and top that with the System X Renew Ceramic Spray Coating. I'm going to go ahead and use it on this car, but I wanted to go ahead and get it on this front end. It looks good. I do like the Coach Kimmy Green Star better than the other two, but the other two did a fine job. And I never look for what is perfect. I look for what's going to help me when I have to do something by hand. The Green Star went ahead and finished it off. There's a lot of rock chips on the front end of this car. Those are about to get painted here pretty soon. But I also like the feel of that Renew. I'd not tried that one before, and I do like it. There's your first, second, and third place. Like I said, this was not a scientific experiment. It was more just testing out what would work better for me as a detailer that has to do a lot more handwork than many other detailers. And the Coach Kimmy Green Star, I felt like took the first place on that. Turtle Wax Bug and Tar Remover did a fine job. It works for what it's needed for. And DIY Detail Tree Sap Remover, it did not do what I thought it was going to do, but I was only told that that was for bug remover. However, I don't know. It doesn't say bug remover. But I do like the Green Star. So first, second, and third, that's my pick. So there you go, friends. That's my test. Like I said, it wasn't scientific or anything. It was just to kind of get a look of things from the standpoint of a detailer who, number one, doesn't have a water source, and number two, has to do a little extra handwork when they want to get something done. Either way, I think all three of them did a fine job. If I had to do that job with any one of the three, I would be perfectly fine doing that. I know there's going to be a lot of handwork in something like this anyway. When you don't have a power washer, it is what it is. So, now it's time for me to get started on the detail of this car. But I want to say thank you all for your support. I appreciate you being here. Smash that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.